Unlock the power of automation and AI to create your own income streams. Imagine this: you're a problem solver, a connector of digital dots. Businesses everywhere are drowning in repetitive tasks. And that's where your expertise comes in. You can offer automation consulting services, helping companies streamline their operations by creating custom workflows using Zapier. Think of it as being a digital architect for their efficiency. But it doesn't stop at consulting. Dive deeper by creating and selling your own pre-built Zapier templates. Identify common business needs, like automatically sending social media updates from a spreadsheet or organizing inbound leads into a CRM. Package those solutions and offer them to a wider audience. These Reddit-house Zaps can be a lucrative passive income source. Now, let's supercharge those automations with ChatGPT. Imagine building a iPod solutions, for example. You could develop a system that uses ChatGPT to draft personalized follow-up emails, which are then automatically sent via Zapier based on customer interactions. Or create a chatbot that answers support queries using ChatGPT's vast knowledge, with Zapier handling the ticket creation in your chosen platform. By combining Zapier's robust integration capabilities with ChatGPT's intelligent language processing, you're not just building tools, you're building intelligent solutions that save time, increase productivity, and ultimately make businesses money, and by extension, they make you money too. This powerful duo opens doors to entirely new income streams, from specialized consulting to selling your own AI-driven products. So, start exploring, experimenting, and building your future on the foundation of automation and artificial intelligence.